Traditionally, we've made synthetic things like nylon or even pharmaceuticals, drugs. We've made them in what you're going to think of as old-fashioned chemistry, where you have a beaker and you have to heat things up and cool things down and add all kinds of strange ingredients, and then you'll get just a tiny bit of product out. And then you'll get a lot of waste, extra solvents and other things that are actually toxic. And when an industry is doing that type of chemistry at a large scale, it's producing a lot of environmental toxins and waste products that you don't really want to produce. Conversely, you think about the cells in your body, and those cells do some very intricate chemistry. They're making all types of different things, your hair, your fingernails. Think about all the things a cell can make. And it does it very efficiently. It doesn't have to go to high temperatures, does it all at body temperature, doesn't need fancy solvents, does it in basically aqueous or liquid water. And the reason a cell is able to do complex chemistry is that cells have proteins called enzymes. And enzymes take two smaller molecules and put them together and build a larger molecule. And those enzymes are encoded by the DNA. So what we do is we say, okay, we want to make this pharmaceutical. It's a very complex molecule, very hard to make, but I could take a cell, readjust its DNA so that it brings together all the small molecules that are necessary to make this big complex molecule. And in this way, I can put this DNA into a bacterium even. We can have a large vat of these bacteria that are making this molecule. And then we just have to purify this perfectly good molecule away from the bacteria. And so we call this green chemistry. It's a new way of doing chemistry. It doesn't create a lot of pollutants. It gives you exactly what you want. You've engineered it to be almost perfect, and it can be very, very efficient. And so we're trying to do that for more and more pharmaceutical molecules, as well as more and more other synthetic chemicals. So I'm very proud of that work because I do think that it's helping to change the way we do things for the better.